Hello, welcome back. Now it's time to clean up a model. Once everything is connected, it's time to explore the connection. By exploring the connection, it means that we are making our component has a separate item, like a plate is a separate item, bolt, well, cut, everything is a separate item. If it's in the component item, it means everything is a macro. We don't want a macro. The reason why is once we put a number on, if we reapply the macro, it will regenerate the number. So that's the reason why we explore our connection. Okay, let's explore connection by going to select all and only select your connection. Only highlight the whole model, and everything it's highlighted is in white. If you zoom in, you see all the components white: angle rod, grout, shear plate, white. There. Right click on our mouse, explode the component. Now every piece is a separate item. There you go. And we can see the cut, the well. Now in the model, the well is represented by a check mark, the blue check mark there. You see. Okay, let's take a quick look if everything looks alright. Well, make sure you go back to select all again and hang on to alt, highlight your steel, and you can see everything that's attached to it. Two shear plate. Let's go down to our base plate is attached and no anchor rod or grout is attached. Let's check our beam. End plate is attached to a beam. Okay. V, pick a point so we can rotate. Zoom in. Nothing there. Good, looks good. Now let's check our anchor rod. Zoom in, one of your location of anchor rod. V to rotate. V and then pick your point, and then you can rotate at that point. Let's see. Hang on to alt. Uh-oh, it looks like our anchor rod is welded together. We don't want that. We want anchor rod to be a separate item. Okay, it looks like we have 3 well here. It looks like those 3 well is the one that's welding every single angle rod together. Okay, let's see what happens when we remove one of them. Remove. It looks like that works. Yep. So now one angle rod is only one item here. Let's click on our blue check mark, which is the well again. Delete. Delete. Hang on to alt and select your anchor rod there. Everything looks okay. Now if you want to change your view to transparent view, hang on to Control 2, transparent view. There you go. If you want to go back to the same view before, Control 4. There you go. Back to the view that it's transparent to solid view, Control 4. Yep. There you go. Now let's go to each of our anchor rod and delete the well. There should be only 3 well that you just need to delete. Quick check. Control 2, transparent. Yep. Okay. Go to our last anchor rod location. Delete, delete, delete. Quick check. Alt. Everything looks okay. Zoom out. Control 4. Back to original view. Now let's clean up our 3D by double click on your background. Go to display tab here. Click on it. And you will have a display advanced and setting. I recommend taking some time to play around what each of them do to the 3D. I would just do a quick here. Just remove the cut from our 3D, fitting, construction line, and point, modify. Oh yeah, and the well. And it will instantly remove everything that we don't want to see in our 3D. There you go. Everything looks good. Modify. Yep. There, we're done checking. Now, one last thing we need to do is do a class check on our model here. A class check means that we want to make sure that our beam is not interfering with each other, or by doing that we select all and only select the part only, select all the steel model, right click to anywhere, and we move down to class check, okay, click on it, and then it will bring up an error report here. You can see all the, let's make it bigger. It looks like our anchor rod is interfering with the grout, which, okay, it looks like it's interfering with the base plate too. Anything in red is a class check. Okay, let me click on it, and if you highlight one of your report there, it will highlight what is interfering with each other. You can go to Control 2, see, check it out what's going on. This anchor rod is interfering with the base plate, which is okay. That's just axial. Sometimes it can't read the hole on the base plate. It looks okay. It's because we got the hole there. It's to our hole. I think we made it 1 5/16, and our anchor rod is 1 inch. So that looks okay. Let's go to the next one. Next view looks okay. Now the grout, it really doesn't matter because it's because the erector will put the grout right after they embedded the anchor rod. Everything looks okay. Let's zoom out a bit and let's just take a quick look through our keep going down the list there. It looks like most of our problem clashing is our anchor rod and just the base plate and grout. Just take a quick look through down the list, and we have no clash with our connection with our beam to column. Everything looks okay and fit. Okay, let's do a quick and just close down your class check. Remember, if you want to do a class check, select the steel only, highlight the whole steel, right click, class check. Okay, that's it. Let's do a quick save and we'll continue on for next